I was feeling kind of bored because I didn't have anything to do tonight, and then I remember I have some anime stuff that I haven't unboxed. Okay, so what I have here is these wafers that comes with, I don't know, something like a sticker card or a photo card, I think. I have One Piece, Blue Lock, and Chainsaw Man, and then I have some blind boxes, a Jujutsu Kaisen, and a Chainsaw Man, and some random blind packages. I think these are Blue Lock, these are Tokyo Revengers, and this is, I don't know what this is. I think, oh, it's a Jujutsu Kaisen. Let's open them. Oh, and a little TMI, I'm currently wearing a collab t-shirt between Uniqlo and Jujutsu Kaisen. I have the Jujutsu high school students on my back, if you can see. And I know this angle is a bit weird because it's actually not my usual spot when I do unboxings, but I just feel like sitting down here for tonight. Okay, now let's start the mini haul by opening these wafers first. Let's start with the Blue Lock one. This is my first time buying this wafer, so I don't know what the card looks like. Oh. Dun, dun, dun. This is the wafers. Oh! I got Nagi! Wow! Sugoi! Okay, so I honestly didn't have any expectation or anything because like it was just a fun unboxing, but I'm kind of surprised at my luck tonight because this is my first package and I already got Nagi, who is actually my favorite character in Blue Lock. Sugoi! Okay, let's move on to the next one. Wait, who is this? Ta-da! No! Like, I don't even remember who this is. Who is he? No, okay, I'm only lucky on my first pull. Okay, next we have One Piece. The wafer is chocolate, I think. Ah! What is this? I think this is something like a sticker card. For this one, you can get a card with one character that appears more often, but you can also get a card like the one I pulled with several characters on it. As you can see, like this is Luffy's underlings in Dressrosa, or I think you can call them Luffy's Grand Fleet. Ta-da! Ah! I finally took a scissor because I think it would be easier to cut this. Oh! I got more from Tontata Kingdom. It's so cute! Leo and Mancheri. Okay, the last one from One Piece. I really wanted Luffy. Darikana. Jam! Sabo! Sabo-kun! Yay! I didn't get Luffy, but Sabo is okay too. Ta-da! Next, I have Chainsaw Man. My favorite characters in Chainsaw Man are obviously Denji and Power. Like, I like that duo so much, so I'm hoping to pull them. Let's start with this one. Who will it be? Oh, another chocolate wafer. Ah! I got Kishibe. Next. Sugiwa. Dum, 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 dum. I might exerting some negative energy tonight. Like, why am I pulling a devil? A bad devil. Moving on. Makima! Whoa! Wait, the backside is something. Okay, the last one from Chainsaw Man. Please let it be danger or power. Dun, 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 dun. Huh? I think this one is more like a scene card, not a character card. Oh, okay, I see. So the lineup for this one is you can get a character card, a story card, and a special card. And this is the story card. And the Makima that I pulled before is a special card. So I was actually lucky that I pulled a special card. Yay! Although it's not power, but it's okay. Next, I'll open this Tokyo Revengers blind packages. I think this one is an acrylic keyring. Please let it be budgie. Dun, dun, dun. Is it?
Budgie Kyusuke!
I got budgie! Oh my god. I think I'm more towards the lucky side tonight rather than the unlucky. It's rare for me to get budgie, I swear. I'm so happy! I'm so surprised that I finally get to pull budgie from a blind package. Okay, let's open the next one. Let's see if I can pull another budgie. This one is a pin beige. Dun, 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 dun. No, it's red. I think it's not budgie. Oh! It's Takemichi crying. He was literally frustrated at this point. Okay, this one is a blue lock acrylic keychain. The lineup is so cool. Hoping to get Nagi or Chidori. Dun, 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 dun. Oh! Oh! I got the main character! Isagi! Yay! Why do I sound disappointed? But it's okay, he's cool too. Ta-da! Next, I have a Jujutsu Kaisen one, but I forgot what it is. I think it is some kind of acrylic or magnet. Or pin beige. Oh, I think I have unboxed this one because this is from the Jujutsu Kaisen cafe in Bangkok. I got Shoko. Next, I forgot what this one is, so let's just open it. I think this one is a mini acrylic stand because it comes with this. Darekana! No way! Oh my god! I pulled Nagi again! This is my lucky night indeed. It's so cute! Ta-da! Kawaii! It's so cute because it's like a sketch. I like this so much! Next, I have this. I think this is Jujutsu Kaisen, if I'm not wrong. Ooh. Oh! 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 Who is it? Huh? Of all the characters from season 2, why do I have to pull her? Just why? I mean, I can pull Ghetto. Why do I get her? Let's move on. Next, I have this Chainsaw Man keychain, and it's so cute because it's a duo. I think I shouldn't have any expectation, but I'm gonna cry if I got Aki and Himeno. Just don't let it be them. Oh my god, I'm so scared. I'm so scared. Who is it? Who is it? Ah! I got Denji and Pochita. And in their cutest face too. This was from the first chapter and first episode. It's so cute. Life was still good back then. Although I kind of hope that I got Denji and Power, but it's okay, they are cute. Now the last item from this haul is this Jujutsu Kaisen blind box. The lineup is Yuji, Nobara, Nanami, and Gojo. I personally think it's kind of weird because why is Megumi not there? Let's see. Let's see who we got. I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm scared. Who is it? Oh my god, no! I got Yuji! Why am I this lucky tonight? I honestly wish deep down that I could pull Yuji, and I got Yuji. Compared to my last Japan haul, the pulls are chef's kiss. Let's assemble the Yuji figure. It's so cool, right? I still can't believe it. Itadori Yuji! Dun, 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 dun. So this is everything I pulled tonight. Yoo-hoo. Tanoshikatta.